Hello friends, welcome to Samayal Darbar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a yummy and tasty ice cream, butterscotch ice cream without any essence. I'm going to show you how to make butterscotch sauce at home with simple ingredients, and also I'm going to show you how to make pralin to top the ice cream. So for that I have taken 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can even substitute it with white sugar. Now keep the flame in medium flame, and then saute the sugar so that it should caramelize. Now it got caramelized. Now turn the flame to low and then add 1 tablespoon of butter and then add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Now mix it together and immediately pour it into a greased plate. I have kept a steel plate. I have taken a steel plate and greased it with butter. Now just pour the pralin mixture, set aside. Now in the same pan I am adding half cup brown sugar. You can even substitute with white sugar. Now same process, you have to caramelize in medium flame and then add 2 tablespoons butter. Now lower the flame and then in sim, the flame should be in sim, and add half cup of condensed milk. Now at first the condensed milk will get you have so much of lumps, but keep stirring it at low flame and you will get a nice sauce. And I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mixing it together. See, the sauce is very smooth. It will come in this consistency. Now you have to tap the steel plate and then take out the pralin like this. It will come out like this, and then I'm taking the pralin and putting it in a tissue paper and then putting another tissue paper on top, and then I'm going to crush it into a small pieces. You can also do it in food processor or in mixer grinder. So after that I'm going to add 1 cup of double cream in a separate bowl. Now the bowl, you have to take a wider bowl and it should be long enough, and you have to whisk it with a spoon continuously for 20 minutes or till it forms a soft peak. You have to stir it at a very nice speed, and then you have to continuously whisk it to get the soft peaks. You have to be little bit patient with this. Now the soft peak has formed. It should not fall from your spoon. Now this is the correct consistency. Now add the butterscotch sauce which we made earlier with the cream, and then stir it continuously. You have so many lumps now, but you have to continuously stir it and whisk it so that there should not be any lumps. You should make a smooth mixture like this without any lumps. Now I'm adding few drops of yellow food color. This is totally optional. You can even skip it and stir it continuously. And then I'm going to add the pralin which we made earlier. I'm going to add only half of it, and I'm going to save it for topping it up with the ice cream. So you have to mix it nicely, and then we are going to pour this into a freezer safe box. And then we are going to freeze it for around 4 to 6 hours or overnight. I have now freezed it for 4 hours, and see, the ice cream is looking perfect and yummy. It'll be so awesome. You can just top it up with the pralin. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the bell button for more updates. Thank you.